Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode keeps disconnecting Wi-Fi slash offline fix. To fix your Schlage Encode dropping its Wi-Fi, start with a simple power cycle by removing the battery tray for 10 to 60 seconds. And if this doesn't work, ensure your 2.4 GHz network is stable, the firmware is updated, and the batteries are fresh. Resolving frequent connection drops usually requires the following step-by-step approach. Fix 1. Power cycle the lock and router. To power cycle the lock, remove the battery tray and wait for 10 to 60 seconds. Then pop it back in securely and listen for a beep to confirm it powers on. To power cycle the router, unplug your Wi-Fi router and modem for a minute, then plug them back in. Fix 2. Isolate the 2.4 GHz network. Log into your router's admin settings and turn off the 5 GHz band while you reconnect the lock. Then open the Schlage Home app. In it, go to Lock Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi settings. And from there, select different network to reconnect. Once the lock is successfully connected to 2.4 GHz, you can turn your 5 GHz band back on. Fix 3. Check router compatibility. Ensure your Wi-Fi password is 24 characters or fewer and avoid any spaces or unsupported symbols in the Wi-Fi name and password. Fix 4. Improve signal strength. Check the distance between your lock and the router. And if you have large home, consider adding a Wi-Fi extender or mesh node closer to your front door. Fix 5. Replace the batteries. If your batteries are running low, the lock's internal Wi-Fi chip will power down to preserve energy for the dead volt motor. So always use a high quality brand new alkaline batteries. Rechargeable batteries are generally not recommended for smart locks. Fix 6. Factory reset and then re-add. First, press and hold the black circle reset button, which is located to the right of the thumb turn on the interior side of the lock. Then hold it until the LED stops flashing red and turns solid blue. Once done, open the Schlage app and set the lock up as a new device. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.